little girls.
You better stay away from them boys. They're bad.
These 4 boys do nothing but wrestle and headbutt all day. Mama called. There's the girls. After she just got a bath.
You have to roll. I need her to dry and clean herself off.
Yeah.
Maybe next time before we give... What? Again? Very sweet. That give you a bath and you're rolling and getting yourself all dirty.
Look, Jesse's like, I think I ought to roll. Yep, that's a good idea, sweets.
No, Daddy, and sweets.
Good boys. Whoa, that is a big one. Oh, looky there. Yeah.
Come on, look.
I mean, I feel like we got them, but back on it.
You guys finding any?
Yes.
Here's another one, Ed. You missed it.
Can I have some? I did with you.
Ah, there's 2.
Ooh, Addie found the jackpot.
Want me to help?
Yeah, I do.
Well, we're going to back it up there and see if we can't get her hooked up and lift up on a little bit. See how it feels. We're going to try to take it to the barn. It's mostly flat, but yeah, we got to try it.
picks it up.
All right,
So we got it picked up there.
we're gonna see how it does. Yeah, I think this is obviously pretty heavy, but I don't think it's overkill. I wouldn't want to pull it up and down any hills, but let's give it a try. Bad at all.
Didn't spin a bit or try to slide or push me at all, so we made it. Now we got to get it up in the loft.
That'll be fun. What do you girls think, huh?
It's staying cool in here.
Got a nice fan blowing on them. He's got it made. What do you think, Atlas? You being good? Huh? Making a dent in it here. Well, I found myself taking a break here, and now I don't want to get up from the fan. We're getting it up there bale by bale. And this nice cool breeze here make me want to stay a little longer. Got to get at it.
Sweetie Pie's missing her friend. They're all on this side.
Oh, she's going wild out there. There she will find him.
She's a wild one.
What, girl?
All right, friends, I want to thank you all for tuning in for today's episode. I sure appreciate all the support and comments y'all have been giving us. You know, we've been busy here. Hope everyone's staying safe and healthy during these crazy times, and y'all take care. We'll see you next time on Ohio Hilltops.